Hi, my name is Ain Umayrah binti Hasan G23A0148, presenting for design implementation of building sciences and services into studio project. This assignment focuses on the application of basic building services system into the studio design project based on building science principles, human needs, site context, and also relevant laws. The first topic, which is electricity. First is LED filament light bulb, which it consumes less and lower energy, and it also more efficient. It provide warm ambient, but it still maintain the traditional vibe. The second one, which is high frequency ballast, I use this in spaces that require more focus. For example, craft area. It is installed inside a fluorescent lamp. The difference between this one and the traditional one is this one is much more flicker free and also have longer lifespan, so it is ideal for high use area. The third one is motion sensor. I use this in spaces that have foot traffic but doesn't require the user to stay in that place for long. For example, the entrance area and the information near the entrance area. It allows you to automatically switch the lighting on and off, but also allow you to program so it doesn't randomly activate outside of our desired time. The last one, which is glass wall uses and how it affects electricity, is because it allows more natural light to penetrate. I use this in office and mini cafe area, so both spaces can have more natural light without relying too much on artificial light. And also it keeps the space enclosed for better energy efficiency for air conditioning. Second topic, thermal comfort. First is radiant heat barrier that is installed above rafters. Most of radiant heat from roof, it accumulates because of the direct UV sunlight that comes from the sun. So, radiant heat barrier is a highly reflective materials that can reflect back the sun rays, so it can reduce a lot of heat gain. The second one, satin finish wood varnish. Regular wood varnish or shellac gives off shiny finishes, so it can cause glare. So this one allow wood to breathe, regulate moisture, and also prevent the finish from cracking. The third topic, waste disposal and sewage systems. First one, I use smart garbage tank monitor, which is located in mini cafe area. So it detects the bin fill level and then it sends notifications to the person in charge, so waste collection can be more efficient. The second one, I use pee bottle trap on wash basins so that it can block foul smells and pests from coming up the drain, and also the bottom cap can be opened easily for quick cleaning and maintenance. And the last one, I use extra effluent filter in the septic tank so that the water that flows into the drain field can be much more cleaner. The fourth topic, indoor air quality. The first one is water efficient landscaping. I use pokok lidahjin or snake plant or sansevieria because it is the most ideal and suitable indoor plant in Malaysia. Then carbon dioxide monitoring and control. It is a device that can monitor and show us in real time the carbon dioxide level in a space. Then mold prevention dehumidifier. Malaysia is a very humid country, so it is a device that can dehumidify a space so that it can reduce the risk of mold growth. And then antifungal solution. It is a layer of solution that can block or prevent a material from growing mold. Topic 5, heating and cooling systems. First, I use wall-mounted air curtain in the mini cafe area because it is a space that transition between the outside and the inside. And then I use smart air conditioner from Daikin, which has built-in filters and also UVC lights that can kill bacteria, molds, and viruses. And then I use 3-in-1 smart portable air conditioner in the kids' play area so that the air circulation can still be efficient and at the same time it's safe for kids. Topic 6, water supply systems. I use water efficient fittings, for example, motion sensor tap and water conserving flush systems in the toilet. And then rainwater harvesting system, we improve Istana Jaha existing gutter so that it connect with a storage tank so it can harvest rainwater. And then smart water meter, which can give the user real-time data with alternative water sources info, so it can be helpful and resourceful for the user more than just a water meter. That's all from me. Thank you so much.